Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Arvin Maser. Today I will demonstrate the basic volleyball blocking technique: ready position, feet shoulder width apart, nest bend, hands up in front, circle step, short distance, crossover step, long distance. Positioning: stay square to the net, watch the hitter, stay low and ready, move quickly using shuffle or crossover steps. Jump block technique: jump, use both feet, jump straight up, hands position, arm fully extend, hands over the net, penetration, raise hand forward into opponent's side, timing, jump when hitter jumps, landing, land softly with balance, time your jump with the hitter and raise your hands over the net to block effectively. So, simple blocking drill: partner tosses ball near net, you'll block or jump block again ball. Practice timing and hand position with simple drills. Quick practice to improve blocking skills.